Hello, I am Vaaheedha and I am going to tell you the basic concepts of computer networks. First, we will see the terminologies which is used in networks. Node. Node is a computer, printer or any other devices capable of sending or receiving data generated by other nodes on the network. Next one is link. Link is a cable, air, optical fiber or any communication medium which is used in the network. And the next, network. Network is a set of devices which is connected by communication links. Network criteria. In network criteria, the first criteria is performance. It is always depends on network elements and it is measured in terms of delay and throughput. The delay of a network specifies how long it takes for a bit of data to travel across the network from one communication endpoint to another. And the next concept of throughput is the number of packets that are processed within a specific period of time. The second criteria of network is reliability. The failure rate of network components and it is measured in terms of availability and robustness. And the third network criteria is security, data protection against loss of data due to errors. Physical structures. Broadly speaking, there are two different types of designs for the communication subnet. The first one is point-to-point channels and the next is broadcast channels. In the point-to-point, when a message is sent from one station to another station, through one or more intermediate stations, the packet is received at each intermediate station in its entirety, stored until the required output line is free and then forwarded. Next one is the broadcast. In broadcast system, have a single communication channel that is shared by all the stations on the network. Packets sent by one station are received by all the others. An address field within the packet specifies for whom it is intended. Categories of topology. Network topology is the semantic description of a network arrangement connecting various nodes through links of connections. First one is the mesh and then star topology, bus topology and finally ring topology. Mesh topology. Each device is connected to every other device on the network through a dedicated point-to-point channel. If we have n devices in the network, then each device must be connected with n-1 devices of the network. And then the advantages of mesh topology is fault is identified easily and then it provides security and privacy. The disadvantage of this topology is installation is difficult and cabling cost is more. Bulk wiring is required for mesh topology. In star topology, all the computers are connected to a single hub through a cable. This hub is the central node and all other nodes are connected to the central node. The advantages are fast performance with few nodes and easy to set up and easy to modify the star topology. And the disadvantages are the cost of installation is high. The next disadvantages is if the hub fails, then the whole network is stopped because all the nodes depend on the hub. In bus topology, every computer is connected to single cable. It transmits data only in one direction. Every device is connected to a single cable. The advantages are cost effective, least cable is required and used in small networks, and then easy to understand and easy to expand the network. The disadvantages are cables fails, then whole network fails. The second disadvantages is cable has a limited length. If network traffic is heavy, then the performance of the network decreases. Ring topology. Ring topology forms a ring as each computer is connected to another computer with the last one connected to the first. Data is transferred in a sequential manner, that is bit by bit. Then the advantages are transmitting network is not affected by high traffic. Then cheap to install and expand. The disadvantages is failure of one computer disturbs the whole network. Categories of networks. First one is local area networks. It covered short distances and designed to provide local interconnectivity. The second one is wide area networks. It covers long distances, provide connectivity over large areas. And third one is metropolitan area networks. It provide connectivity over areas such as a city, a campus, etc. Protocols. Protocol is a set of rules that govern data communications. It determines what is communicated, how it is communicated, and when it is communicated. The key elements of a protocol are syntax, semantics, and timings. Elements of a protocol. The first element is syntax, structure or format of the data. Syntax indicates how to read the bits. The second element is semantics. It interprets the meaning of the bits and it knows which fields define what action. And the third element of a protocol is timing, when data should be sent and the speed at which data should be sent or speed at which it is being received.